It's been a little while, but today I'm gonna go back into the archive of blueprint recipes and I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna make the beet poke. I've never really even had real poke, so I wouldn't know any different, but I'm gonna make the beet poke recipe and I'm looking forward to the freshness in the veggies and the fruit in it. I have to say, I've been good to myself this week, navigating healthier habits and leaning in even more to blueprint. I'm still really focused on my diet because I have not mastered my diet yet, but I'm getting closer every day. I also have like a very sporadic work schedule, different hours, different shifts, different days. No week is the same at my current job. So that has been challenging for routine building. I'm doing my best. I'm doing all I can. And in the last week or two, I've been working out probably every other day. And sometimes I only have the energy for like 30 minutes. But no, today I worked out for 50 minutes. On a day off, it's much easier to have the energy to do what I need to do to take care of myself. And now I want to finish with a nutritious dinner. Also, just navigating societal norms. I dodged Dunkin' Donuts at work. Like, I have no desire. After especially seeing my numbers, that I'm at the beginning stages, 5.7% is pre-diabetes, the very beginning. I'm like, I don't need to consume any more donuts, cookies, cake, brownies, pie. No, people really are doing this out of kindness. They're bringing donuts for staff. But it's like, thank you, but no thank you. I'm not gonna put that in my mouth. So I did not. That happened a few times over the course of the last 7 to 10 days. Cookies from the store and, welcome for everyone to eat. Dunkin' Donuts. It's like, no Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm staying true to myself and giving myself what I need. So enough said, progress is being made. I'm feeling really good. And now I want to share with you the beet poke recipe. My first time too. Let's see how this goes. First off, the ingredients, they look so fresh and delicious. I mean, I rinsed them real good and they're so green and beautiful. So this is what we have here. So I like how simple this recipe really should be to whip up. In it includes green onions, cilantro, mango, avocado, radishes, 2 limes, microgreens. I did the protein greens also for like a lettuce base. I'm making it easier on myself and I bought pre-cooked organic beets and then some coconut aminos and organic toasted sesame seed. Let's prepare this. Some people have commented about my slicing skills, more in my short videos, not my long form. You know what? I am not a professional chef, but I do know how to prepare food, even if it's not aesthetically the most pleasing. It tastes good, and that's what matters to me. And my child, that's what matters to us. I think the next purchase on my list is like stainless steel mixing bowls. Yeah, I need to get those. I'm definitely trying to get rid of plastics. Most recently, well, not super recently, a few months ago, I did buy a glass water jug that I refill at Whole Foods. I kind of need another one, but it's a start. And now I need non-plastic mixing bowls. One serving calls for 4 to 5 cooked beets, and I have 9 here. So I'm just gonna chop them all up so I have a meal for tomorrow as well. Now that the beets are chopped, I'm gonna put them in a bowl And we're gonna mix them with all the yummy things. Okay, to this I'm gonna add the coconut aminos. Blueprint olive oil. Oh yeah. The toasted sesame seeds and the juice of a couple limes. And then I'm gonna let the beet mixture marinate in the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes. I don't think my mango's ripe. That's okay. I don't know when a mango is ripe, but hopefully it'll taste pretty good. I'm gonna give it a taste test and then I'm gonna peel this one, make it a lot easier on myself. Maybe it is. Okay, that's delicious. To be honest, I'm really enjoying adapting to the Blueprint lifestyle. I mean, it's changing my habits in every single way, but honestly, at the core of who I am, I already feel like this is stuff I knew, maybe not in depth about like nutrition and, I mean, no. I just know the surface of a lot of things regarding health and wellness, but I'm so eager to explore further, deeper, have a wider selection of topics in health and wellness and longevity, anti-aging. You know, as time goes on, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is what I'm about. Healing myself, helping myself, taking care of myself, helping and taking care of my daughter to help herself and others. I mean, whoever this appeals to, I hope they go for it as well. Time for the best part, the taste test. I want a little bit of everything. I want the beets, I want the avocado, I want the cilantro, the green onion, oh, microgreens, the lettuce, the, what's it called? Radish, and the mango. Cheers. So good. It's so tasty. So the beets and the mango make it a little sweet tasting, but it pairs so nicely with the avocado and the greens. That's so delicious. I love real food. Before I get tons of sesame seeds in my teeth, I am going to sign off for this video. That was really fun to like go back and do the whole recipe thing. I love cooking. I really do. It makes me just happy on the inside. And my dishes might not be the most exciting things you've ever seen, but they taste good. And I hope you try this recipe. Highly recommend. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.